In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag emails in Outlook. So I'm here with Outlook open on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is go to my inbox. I move over to the left sidebar and click on inbox, and now I can see all my emails listed in the middle of the screen. From here, I look through the list and find the email that I want to flag. Once I find it, I click on the email to select it. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, which means it's active and ready for the next action. Now that the email is selected, I move my mouse up to the top menu and make sure I'm on the Home tab. This is where most of the common email actions are located. In the Home tab, I look for the flag icon. Once I see it, I click on the flag icon. As soon as I click it, the flag appears next to the email and it turns red. This red flag is the visual indicator that the email has been flagged. It helps mark the email so you can easily find it later, especially if it's important or needs follow-up. You'll also notice that the flagged email stands out in your inbox, making it easier to keep track of tasks or messages you don't want to forget. The flag stays there until you remove it, so it's a simple way to organize and prioritize your emails. And that's it. I opened Outlook, went to my inbox, selected the email, clicked the flag icon on the Home tab, and the flag turned red showing the email is now flagged.